स्वागत है आपका तपस्या फॉर आईएएस यूट्यूब चैनल पे। Evaluation of socio-religious reform movements. So here we will discuss only key points. It is very important for exam perspective. So let's begin. In Maharashtra, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Lok Hitwadi, rationalism, secularism, equality, attacked Hindu orthodoxy, caste periodicals, ज्ञान प्रकाश, इंदु प्रकाश, लोकहितवादी. Next is प्रार्थना समाज, 1867, founder Atmarang Pandurang. Propounder was M.G. Ranade and R.G. Bhandarkar. Monotheism, social reform, women's education, widow remarriage, and next is age of marriage, women education, widow remarriage, age of marriage, anti-caste, aligned with bhakti. Next is Paramhans Mandali, 1849, Durga Ram Mehtaji, Dadoba Pandurang, Secret Group, monotheism, anti-caste, and commonwealth. So next is Jyotiba Phule and Satyashodak Samaj. It was founded in 1873. So it was an anti-Brahminical lower caste right. Started first girls school 1848 with Savitribai Phule. Publications as Gulamgiri, Sarvajanik Shatya Dharm, used Raja Bali, title Mahatma. Gopal Baba Valankar, Mahar caste. He was from Mahar caste. Published Vital Vidvansak, 1888, first journal for untouchables. Next is Bal Sastri Jambekov, father of Marathi journalism. Darpan, his writings are Darpan and Digdarshan. Advocate for widow remarriage. And one more thinker, Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar. He was also social reformer. He also advocate for widow remarriage. And next is Rukhambai Raut, pioneering women physician. Dadaji Bhikaji versus Rukhambai case, 1884. Influenced as a Consent Act, 1891. Pandita Ramabai Saraswati founded the Arya Mahila Samaj in 1882. Mukti Mission, 1889. Wrote the High Caste Hindu woman. Now next in North India, Swami Dayanand Saraswati and Arya Samaj in 1875. Slogan: Back to the Vedas, rejected Puranas, idolatry, hereditary caste, supported Chaturvarna by occupation. Principles like monotheism, Vedic authority, and global welfare. Split in 1893. College Party, DAV, then an it's then an Anglo-Vedic versus Gurukul Party Sanskrit. Initiative like widow, intercaste marriage, anti-untouchability, Suddhi movement, and cow protection. Significance like reformist, countered Western influence, spread education. South India, Theosophical Society, 1875, S.P. Blavatsky and Cole M.S. Olcott. Its headquarters was in Adyar, Chennai. Emphasis was given on Upanishad, Karma, led by Annie Besant, 1907. Sri Narayan Guru and SN Devi movement in Kerala. fought for upper caste domination and fought upper caste domination and Izaba community. Arupipuram movement 1888 consecrated Shivlinga slogan one religion, one caste, one god for mankind. Welcome Satyagrah 1924 to 25. Kerala against caste based temple road restriction. Leaderships T.K. Madhavam, K.P. Kesava Menon, and K. Kelappan. Mahatma Gandhi led temple entry proclamation 1936. Muslim reform movement Syed Ahmad Khan and Aligarh movement. Founded Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College 1875. Later AMU. Published Tehzeeb ul Akhlaq. Promoted Western education, rationalism. Opposed Pada, polygamy, initially pro-unity, later highlighted separated interest. Wahhabi movement, Shah Waliullah, Syed Ahmad Barlawi, aimed to revive pure Islam. Considered India Dar ul Harb, anti-colonial post 1849. Ahmadiyya movement in 1889. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, liberal, universal religion, opposed violent jihad. Dewan movement 1866. Qasim Nanotwi, Rashid Ahmad Gangohi, orthodox, supported INC opposed Aligarh. Parsi Sikh reform movements. Parsi Rahnumai Masjashan Sabha 1858. Nauroji Wadonji Dadabhai Nauroji revived Zoroastrianism, promoted education, women's rights, published Rast Ghaffar. Sikh Singh Sabha movement 1873 in Amritsar countered missionary activity, strengthened the Sikh identity, modern education, Khalsa school. Sikh Akali movement in the year 1921. Objective was liberate Gurudwaras from corrupt Mahantas. Non-violent Satyagrah led to Sikh Gurudwara Act 1922 and 25. SGPC control. Other prominent movement: Servant of India Society 1905. Gopal Krishna Gokhale trained Indians for social welfare. Indian Social Conference 1887. M.G. Ranade Raghunath Rao met with INC. Advocate intercaste marriage, opposed polygamy. Students Literary and Scientific Society. Dadabhai Naroji promoted rationalism, science, women's education. Evolution of reform movement. Positive, liberated individuals from orthodoxy. Emphasized reason humanism. Promoted modernization, education, improved women's lower caste status, laid groundwork for nationalism. Limitations: urban middle class focus, narrow base, sometimes pseudo-scientific, neglected arts, alienated lower caste by glorifying past, contributed to communal and consciousness. Key points for UPS. So today's lecture is ended here. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि ऐसे यूपीएससी फोकस्ड वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें. थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद.